This is the double Mitre saw T400 manufactured in Italy by Alfamacchine, which is part of the Fletcher group. Before making the cut, you have to set the position of the vertical presser, which are there to block the molding while the blades fall. These two small levers are needed to replace the two pressers. The measuring system is made up of a diagrammed plane with oblique lines and the two measuring stops. We want to cut a 20 by 30 cm frame. We fix the first stop at 20 cm and then I lift it to move the second stop to 30 cm. I first set the position of the vertical pressers and then I execute the cut by pressing the two buttons and therefore keeping both hands busy for safety reasons. The plastic protection can be lifted and lowered with this knob. Let's see another type of molding. The length of molding which is removed at each cut is of about 1 cm. The machine can cut moldings with a maximum width of about 10 cm. Let's take a look at some details of the saw. This is the general switch which is found on the right hand side of the saw. The voltage is of 380 volts. This is the electrical panel and this is the button which turns on the machine. This is the knurled knob which is needed to regulate the speed of which the blades fall with. This is the switch which allows the activation of the vertical pressers. These are activated by the pressure applied on the foot pedal. This is the pneumatic command group which consists of the hooking and unhooking button, the pressure regulator and gauge, the filter which collects condensation, the lubricator of the pneumatic circuit. This is the emergency button which interrupts the functioning of the machine as soon as it's pressed. We now open the front hatch which contains the two circular blades. The diameter of the blades is of 40 cm and the central hole is of 30 mm. The saw is provided with a pair of blades of your choice. On the inside of the hatch there are also 4 vertical pressers. The left supporting surface, which is provided, is 120 cm. The right supporting surface with the oblique line scale table is also provided and allows a measurement of up to 150 cm. It's also possible to order, as an optional, a rod extension of 120 cm with the following code T400PD. To allow it to work, the saw needs a compressor of about 200 liters of sucked air. It also needs an aspirator. The tubes of aspiration have a diameter of 8 cm. You can find the T400 double Mitre saw in the RINALDIN catalogue and online on the website www.rinaldin.com.